po dito pag binabasa natin si General Torre, mauunahan ko pa yung mga katotohanan. Okay, pakinggan natin.
Nagulat ka of your relief or you disappointed?
Pakinggan natin.
Nagulat ka of your relief or you disappointed over it?
So many things were said in the past days by other people. Pakinggan nyo na lang muna sila. I'm still composing my thoughts. I'm still composing my thoughts and I'll be making a statement in due time.
Yes. So, hindi pa siya ready. Relax lang mga ka-clear. Relax. Relax. And, well, anyway, ganito yan eh. Siguro, I can consider myself na naging basta naging okay kami ni General Torre sa pag-uusap. Okay siya. Makikita mo yung sincerity niya. Okay? So, ayoko naman sabihin close kami. O sabihin niya, close ba tayo? Baka ma-deny ako. Hindi na niya ako close ba kami. Pero mabait si General Torre. So, yun lang. So, after this, nakapag-usap naman kami. Yun. Ba?
Sir, sabi niyo, nahanap buhay. What do you mean?
Pero maganda naman yung ngiti niya eh, di ba?
Pumasok ko sa Grab delivery.
Pumasok daw siya sa Grab delivery. Nagata si General Torre talaga, oo. Ulit. Ano pa trabaho niya?
Nahanap buhay. What do you mean by
Composing my thoughts and I'll be making a statement in due time.
Sir, sabi niyo, nahanap buhay. What do you mean by that, sir?
Pumasok ko sa Grab delivery, sa food delivery at nakatanggap ako ng message sa aking app at nakakita ako na birthday cake. So I delivered it. Nagkataon pala birthday ni Congressman De Lima. So nagulat ako na nadala kong cake sa kanya.
Rider na siya mga ka-clear. Nakakuha siya ng bagong job. Rider na siya.
Naki-happy birthday na rin ako.
Yan. Ako, no? Senator, Rep. Leila De Lima. Uy, kantahan naman natin si Kong Leila De Lima. Kahit hindi niya tayo nadidinig. Kong Leila De Lima, itong awiting ito ay para sa'yo. Happy birthday to you. Yan, di ba? Happy birthday, Representative Leila De Lima. Yan.
Composition na in office?
Let's just wait for the official announcement. Kung meron man.
Ano po, sir, tatanggapin niyo kung meron?
Let's just wait. Masyado namang nauna ang karwahe dyan pag tatanggapin o hindi.
Pero sana tanggapin, ha? Gusto ko yung ngiti niya. Sana tanggapin.
Wala pang ang announcement kung meron man.
Pero kayo ng presidente?
Executive privilege, pwede.
Okay. Sir, you think yung pagtanggal sa inyo has anything to do with yung binawi na mga appointments mo?
I'll make that will be included in my statement in due time. Hindi sa ngayon.
Sir, ano pinag-usapan niyo ni Senator Laila? Ano po pinag-usapan niyo?
Ma'am, cake delivery po.
Ayos talaga si Senator na tuloy, no? Na-promote agad. Si General Torre, cake delivery po.
And, well, seriously speaking, when I was the chief PNP, Congressman De Lima was among the first visitors in my office. Nakita niyo naman yan, we published it. She visited me and we talk about things. So sa ngayon, I just reciprocated the gesture. I found out that it's her birthday today. Actually, alam ko matagal na.
Uy, mga ka-clear, nung niya, turnover sa kanya, nung invited tayo. Yun. Diba? Invited tayo. May picture kami niyan. Pagmamalaki ko lang, ko lang. Pero invited tayo dyan. Okay.
I just really wanted to wish her well on her birthday. Kaya nagdala lang ako ng simple cake. Yun lang.
Ano pinag-usapan niyo, sir?
Happy birthday.
So you think beyond
Happy birthday.
compare na yung relationship mo with the present group of officials under this administration, or are you still open to dialogue? Or
Uy, yung pag-premise yun ng question na beyond repair, para bang may nasira. I'm telling you, simula kahit nakahapon sa official statement ni Secretary John Vic, di ba? May nasira ba?
Wala naman talaga, mga clear. Wala naman talaga. Di ba? Walang nasira. Walang sinira dito. Kitang-kita natin sa mga words ni Sec John Vic. Walang negative na anumang kay General Torre.
Ano naman it's all the president's choice, ang sabi niya.
So, wala
Which
po-
I
In good
support it.
terms kayo, sir.
Wala
Of course. Of course we are.
Tumawag daw siya 5 beses, di niyo raw sinagot.
Sabi niya naman, di ba? Siya rin naman nagsabi na nasa dinner ako. Well, sa ako na yun, alam mo, di ba? Even in the PSA, in the police service anniversary sa aking demonstration sa president nung ating capability sa 911 and 5 minutes response. Ano ba ang na-highlight doon? Napakabagal talaga ng internet. So, things happen sa mga ganong
Pero sir, yung
It's just so unfortunate na napaka bad timing ng mga calls niya. Kaya hindi ako naka-return call, hindi ko rin na-receive.
Sir,
Hindi ko na-
Pero-
sir, despite po ng pagkakaalis mo sa PNP, ano po yung proud kayo na nagawa ninyo?
Proud to be.
Dami namang nagawa si General Torre.
Laging tagline namin yan, di ba? I came from a unit na ang tagline ay proud to be. Until now, proud to be PNP. Ayun ang
sir,
pinaka-tagline kung naghahanap ka ng tagline.
sama ng loob. Wala po kayo sama.
Look at me straight in the eye. Do I look like somebody who is bitter?
Di ba? Kasi, nakikita mo naman mga clear, yung life, syempre life goes on. Diba? And life, more chances can be given to General Torre. Better. And, hindi naman nasira yung tiwala sa kanya ng Pangulo eh. Diba? Hindi nasira ang tiwala sa kanya.
conspicuously absent.
Kaya siya hindi ganon ang naramdaman niya. Siguro sa isa nagulat siya, di ba?
Kayo dun sa turnover. So, yung optics dun parang nasabi.
Because there's, up to this moment, there's no turnover to speak of. Ang relief ko is for the appointment.
Yes.
I have to still get guidance whether I'm fired from the PNP so that I will lose my 4-star general.
Yes.
And that's quite a different thing.
Okay.
No,
Kasi out of the service,
So-
yun ibig sabihin, sir, di ba?
Ano ibig sabihin nun, sir?
I'm still a policeman with a 4-star general rank.
Kaya hindi po kayo nandun sa turnover?
That is an assumption of office kasi nung the night before I was relieved and the office is empty. The office is vacant. So it has to be filled and it was filled the next day.
Pero hindi na po naisisipang mag-early retire. Wala
That will be part of my statement in the coming days.
Sir, bukas pa doon yung NBI kasi, sir.
I'm not qualified for it.
Sir, sabi mo, malis na daw po ba kayo?
Sa quarters? Oh yes, kahapon pagka the assumption of office of the new chief PNP is around lunchtime. I left the house before dinner.
Did you see?
Kasi ako naman ay tumira ako dun, but with the reality in mind that anytime you can be yanked out because it's just a temporary housing and quartering. So it's not very difficult for me to leave it.
With the family.
Yes, with the family.
Sir,
Sir, your message to
things
your
differently.
Your message to your
supporters. To your supporters po.
Message.
Sino yun?
Mga
Your supporters, kasi
people.
Kami,
bumuhos po yung suporta para
mga ka-clear.
Hindi naman ako naniniwala na ganun karami yan. Sa akin lang, salamat lang sa kanila. Pero I really appreciate the gesture. I really appreciate the support and the love. But
Ang humble niya, mga ka-clear. Ang humble niya. Yung iba feeling, ang dami-daming supporters, diba? Siya talagang meron, pero humble.
huwag kayong mag-alala. Ako'y okay.
Sir,
I'm
sabi
okay.
niyo sa statement niyo, ang tunay na tagumpay.
Sir, would you have done things differently?
Pag-isipan ko muna yung sagot na yan.
Sabi mo sa statement mo, ang tunay na tagumpay ay patuloy na paglilingkod sa bayan. What do you mean by that?
Ay, pulis pa rin naman ako eh. Ay, makakita ko ng rambol dyan. Ay, makikita niyo ako siguradong manghuhuli ng nagrarambol dyan sa kalsada. Count on it. May makita kong may madaanan ako rambol sa kalsada, maniwala kayo. May huhulihin at huhulihin tayo dyan. At we shall I'm still duty bound to keep the peace.
May pinag-uusapan na ba po kayo na tanggapin anuman ang posisyon na ibibigay sa inyo ng Presidente?
Yun nga sabi ko, let's wait first for the official statement or announcement regarding that matter.
So regardless of that, you're still ready to serve government in whatever capacity.
I'm still serving the government.
Beyond PNP. I mean, yung general mindset mo lang.
I'm still in the government. I'm still serving the government right now. I'm still a policeman.
Still willing to serve.
Kung hindi ako willing, di umalis na ako.
You still support the president?
Of course, of course.
Sir, your message to the president, if there's any...
Executive privilege ako, ano man yun, kami na dalawa
How
mag-usap,
about
no?
sa new PNP chief, sir, message?
I wish him well. I wish General Nartat as well. He's a very good officer.
May napag-usapan po ba ni Kong Leila about 2028 plans?
Aga naman, wala pang balak yan.
Pulis mo ako, hindi ako pwedeng... First and foremost, kung plans, ha? Kung plans. Unang-una, wala akong pera na para sa trabahong yan. Naku po, Diyos ko, I'm really so far from reality.
Sir, sabi ni Senator Ping, parang umover daw yung authority, paggamit ng authority.
I always respect the opinion of everybody, especially from a former chief PNP. I took note of it and reviewed my actions. Now, whether I agree or not, I'll just include it in the statement. You can deduce it from the statement that I will make.
Kailan yun? When do you expect it? This week? Next week? Ay, para mas prepared din kami.
Kailan, sir? Kailan kayo maglalabas ng statement?
I can't really give a timeline on it. I took a leave, Babs. I took a leave, which I will do. I think the second time in my career.
For how long?
Wow, mga kakris, second time lang in his career to take a leave. Wow! Yung iba, puro leave. Yung iba, puro personal trip. My gosh!
For how long?
I'm mulling about it kasi syempre for approval of the chief PNP, and I'm planning to use the maximum leave authorized, yung my vacation leave, my service leave,
Ang haba nun, mga kaklir.
my
Sir, bakit ngayon lang? Taon, nagtatawid.
obviously I need the time. I need the time off. So I need the time off also to answer reporters.
Sir, after ba yan, abroad?
What were your thoughts? Anong naramdaman mo when you learned about itong pag-release sa'yo?
I've been an officer for more than 30 years. This is not the first time that this happened in my career. Okay? And it happened time and again, pabalik-balik yan. And, I just came back, bounced back, and do something again, and be credited for it. Reading myself. Ganun lang.
Nothing new.
Do you have any regrets, sir?
Regrets? Lahat naman tayo may mga what ifs sa buhay. Pero may mga what ifs sa buhay. Pero I am not very sure if this is one of them. Meron ganun, pero things na talagang major regrets or major things that I really think of reconsidering if given the chance to do the second time around. I don't think this is...
Okay, mga clear. So, makikita natin kay General Torre. No. Sabi ko, sir, syempre, sinabi natin na okay lang, parang ganon. Sabi niya, okay lang naman siya. Diba? At meron niyang ino-offer sa kanya na position. At yun, pag-iisipan niya yun. Pag-iisipan niya ng malalim yun. Diba? So let's pray. Let's pray na tanggapin niya yung position na inaalok sa kanya. Yun lang. Ang prayer ko talaga is tanggapin niya. Siguro pagka natanggap niya, yun, saka tayo magpupunyagi, diba? Kasi he will definitely be a great help to the country and to the president. Yan, pag tinanggap niya yung posisyon na yun. Diba? Parang sarap ng madinig, no? Parang sarap madinig kay General Torre na, yes, I'm willing to do that. Diba? Ang nakita niyo, nako, pag nanggap niya yun, nako, tingin ko, marami ang magbabago ang buhay. Pag ninanggap niya yun. Diba, Celso Magiba? Oh. And Elizabeth Taloza.